Hey G Squad, welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this comb right here, and pretty much what this is another Dior, Dior. So this is a Dior beauty product haul that I got. So I saw that they had a very cool new thing that was available thanks to one of the other local influencer that posted about it. They were giving out like a Dior camera light thing that I was like, whoa, that's pretty cool because I can actually take advantage and use that too. So I got another product here, and as usual, when you guys do buy online, or if you guys buy in store, they normally give you guys a bag. Or if you guys don't want it, you guys always tell them not to give you guys one, but this is what it looks like for the bag. And I kind of wish they give you guys a star that they normally give you guys when you guys do buy in store, but that's totally fine. But right here, you can see this is what the packaging looks like here. It just has this nice little ribbon here that you guys can just slide it out on the side. That way you can open it up. And then the way how you guys open it, just like that, and then this is what the inside part looks like. So this time I actually opened it myself first to double check to make sure I got the stuff inside, because there's been a few times where I bought stuff from Dior and they didn't have it inside, and I had to contact them to reimburse it, or they had to like do something for me. But you see, once we guys do open up, here's what the inside part looks like. So this is what we got this time around. So I did get their brand new shampoo, Sauvage shampoo, so I'll definitely use it later on tonight, but I'm pretty sure it smells like Sauvage, but I'll try that later on. I did get the hair serum, so this one's also new as well. I got this same one that you guys saw last time. This is the Le Bum, so this is the one where you guys would use it for your hand, use it for body, or use it for your lip, kind of like a, it's kind of like a cream in a way. So I'll just open it up one more time to show you guys what it looks like, because my other one's in another room that I don't remember where I put it. I think it was in one of my luggages. But this is what it looks like here, and it's called the Balm. This is actually one of the products that if you guys do follow Jisoo, she posted about it and talked about it in her video, or it's also on the main page of the Dior page. So that's pretty cool. And then we got the actual product here. So this is what I bought the product for. And then here we do have the little samples, and that's everything inside. So for sample this time around, we got the little day cream here, if you guys can see. And when you guys do open it up, once you guys do open it up, here's what the inside part looks like here. The other stuff that we got this time around, we did get the EDP, the little sample size one. We did get the Dior Home sample size as well, and then this time we did get the perfume. So this one's a small miniature size I showed you guys before. Really cute design. I actually really like these small miniature size because it's very cute and it's glass and everything. Very nice design. And yeah, that's everything that we got. So let me show you guys the other stuff first before we show you guys this one. So this one, the shampoo, like I mentioned, I'll definitely use it tonight. So let's open it up first, see what the bottle looks like. So I already have like their, I think the hand shower gel that they have, that I showed you guys before. And this time they have a shampoo, so that's pretty cool. I wonder if they'll make like a conditioner as well. So it's a plastic container, it's not a glass container or anything. So it's not breakable, so you don't have to worry about it breaking, not like their perfume. So that's what it looks like here. You guys can twist it to open it and twist it to lock it. So really nice how they have the option available. And then for the other one here, which is the hair serum, if you guys open up this one as well, this one's a lot more smaller. So the hair serum is to help you guys sculpt the hair, and it has a shine thanks to the lightweight hydrating formula. So I guess it's scented but also hydrating when you guys do that. And then for this one, it is a glass bottle, so you do that on handle of care. So I guess you guys just spray a little bit on your hand and you just put it onto your head and use it. Because like I mentioned, it's help you guys sculpt your hair and help you guys keep it shine while keeping it hydrated as well at the same time. So I guess it kind of works as a gel maybe. So I'll definitely use this and give it a try. But before we do use that one, let's show you the final product first. So once you guys open up, here's what the inside part looks like here. Stick it out. Once you guys take it out, they have the user manual inside. And then we do have a USB to USB-C cable that you guys can use to recharge the unit, but if you guys have your own cable, then it's fine. They do give you guys one of these little clips that you guys can clip onto the camera. So this is what it looks like right here. Has the Dior logo on there. And then last but not least, right here, we do have the product. So it pretty much looks like one of those regular lights for using it for like flash or for recording videos, which are pretty cool, but it has the Dior logo on there. And then they do have the part for the hot shoes for you to put here and one right here as well. But those are the different controls for you to use. And this one, it is rechargeable using USB-C, so that's nice. And they have this bottom part here for you guys to set up. So I'm assuming how this one works is that you just want to go like this, screw this on the bottom part right here. And let's say, for example, if you guys want to use this onto your phone or your TV, phone or your laptop, just go like this. Just kind of clip this onto your phone if you guys want like that. And then if you guys want to turn it your way, you guys can turn it your way as well to do like a selfie video or something, which is pretty neat. And I guess this part right here is for tightening it up. So once you guys turn it on, pressing the power button on the back part right here, press and hold it, turns on. So that's pretty much what it looks like here. And if you guys want to increase the brightness, you guys can. Decrease the brightness, you guys can as well. So very easy and very simple to use the light on here, but pretty cool how they have the option available. If you guys press the M button, which is the RGB option, you guys can change the different color on here, which is pretty neat. So it looks like there is a cool white, warm white, and a daylight. So there's like a 3 different color options on here for the light. So that's pretty cool. And like I mentioned, it is rechargeable, so use the USB-C option to recharge it if you guys do want. And then once you got it done, press and hold the power button. And that turns it off. So that's pretty much everything in terms of what you guys get right here. Definitely a very cool little product here that they are giving right now. I don't know if it's still available by the time you guys are seeing this video, but really cool product I got at the time I got this. So that is pretty much everything that we get this time around. Let me put everything to one side and we're gonna try the serum. All right, so let's take this off. I feel like normally you're supposed to do it after you guys wash your hair, but let's just give it a try and see how it works. So maybe we'll just try a little bit here. So it definitely looks like that gel kind of texture, if you guys can see right there. Let's try to put it on here and see what happens. So it's supposed to be a hair serum, so it's supposed to help you guys keep it hydrated. And the moment we put it on, it definitely feels like, or it smells like that sauvage smell that when you guys do smell it. So I'm not exactly sure if it's a if it's supposed to work like a gel, but when you guys do use it, it definitely feels very nice, very hydrating, but also gets that sauvage scent to it when you guys do put it on. So you guys can probably play around with it and add more if you guys do want, but definitely feels pretty nice. That it does have like a little bit of a cooling effect as well. So this is pretty much what it looks like when you guys kind of use it. I don't have too much here, but it does feel like a kind of like a gel texture when you guys use it. So that's pretty much everything in terms of what we do get this time around for this little haul here. So far, everything seems pretty worth it and pretty nice, but it is a little bit more expensive, so it is a Dior product, so keep that in mind. But that's everything for right now.